Hello, financial fans. Yesterday on 12, not on 4/21, April 21st of 2022, I mentioned I plan to buy Workhorse today, WKHS, the symbol. And I also mentioned NIO, NIO, and I also mentioned LCID, Lucid. And I was trying to figure which one I should buy, and I bought all three. And I bought Lucid at $19.62, 63 cents per share, and I bought NIO at $17.49. We get 50 cents a share, $17.50 a share for NIO and IO, and I bought Workhorse for $3.24 per share. So I bought all three, and I already had them in my portfolio, though I had some of them. I bought a little bit more. They all went down after I bought them, so I have lost money, not money, I lost value on all three of them as of this moment. Actually not totally, because Workhorse after hours, Workhorse has gone up to $3.26, and I paid $3.24, so I made 2 cents a share on Workhorse after hours. But Lucid and NIO are still down, and let me see what the closing prices were on NIO and LCID. Okay, LCID closed at $19.11 after I paid $19.62 for it, and NIO and IO, by the way, these are all electric vehicle stocks. NIO closed at $17.16 a share, and I paid $17.50 a share. So I'm pleased. This was a very bad day value-wise for my portfolio in the market. I have about 70, maybe 75 stocks total that I keep track of and that I have bought and that I have in my portfolio. And every single one of those stocks was down except TOO was up a little bit, and Workhorse, WKHS, was up a tiny bit during the actual trading day. And even though Workhorse closed at a price that was lower than what I paid for it, it was up on the day, and then it continued to go up after hours. So I'm happy with it, the little Workhorse doing so well there. Everything is oversold. If I were to give advice, which I'm not a financial advisor, but if I were a financial advisor, I would tell you that just about everything is a bargain right now. And things like the Dow Transports, you might look those up. At some point, the world's going to get moving again. They can't just lay around doing nothing to try to make COVID go away. What they've got to do is get everything moving again. Factories and manufacturing companies and restaurants and everything has to get started and get going again, and all they're doing is putting it off right now, and at some point they're going to say, hey, let's start doing business again. And those of us who have bought at low prices, I think this might be near the low for most of my portfolio. We'll see what happens in the future, but I did buy those three stocks, NIO, LCID, and Workhorse, WKHS, and I'm hoping for good results from those stocks in the near future. I think electric vehicles will do well, I think oil companies will do well, I think banks will do well, and I just mentioned the Dow Transports. Just take a look at what the Dow Transports are. When it comes time to move freight, move anything, a small investment in Dow Transports might pay off. But as I said, I'm not a financial advisor, and any money you put in the stock market you can lose. But that is my adventure for the day, and I thank you very much for watching.